All right, hello there. Hello, welcome back. So, we are going to cover cloud licensing. Yeah, it's a little different, but you know what? The world is moving to cloud and software licensing is as well. So, with cloud based licensing, gone are the days when companies had to purchase physical licenses for the products that they want to use. It's usually turned out to be a headache for both the software vendor and the customer, by the way. These licenses came in the form of a disk or sometimes a download, and it was a one-time purchase. It was often expensive, lacking customization. While this method is still used within certain companies and circumstances, see, the cloud is becoming increasingly popular due to its ability to adapt to the changing market as well as the needs of vendors and customers. Yes, so what is it? Cloud software licensing refers to the process of managing and storing software licenses in the cloud. Now, the benefits of cloud software licensing models are vast. The main and most attractive benefit, though, has to do with the ease of use for software vendors and the ability to provide customizable cloud software license management based on the customer needs and future planning. So, cloud based licensing gives software developers and vendors the opportunity to deliver software easily, quickly, gives customers full control over their licenses, their analytics, and way more. So it leads to greater revenue as well as customer satisfaction. So yeah, cloud-based licensing gives software sellers the ability to add subscription models to their roster of services. Subscription models happen to be one of the most popular forms of licensing today. If you think of Spotify, Netflix, Adobe, etc., users sign up for a subscription, often based on various options and levels of use and features, etc., and receive their licenses instantly. Users don't even have to think of these as true licenses nowadays, because no one can even imagine or perhaps even remember what it was like to receive a disk to install an app on the computer. Okay, we're getting ahead of ourselves, but it's all part of the main cloud computing trend that is shaping the world, especially post-COVID-19. See, cloud licensing solutions are a critical part of companies adapting to the technological age, staying relevant and competitive in the increasingly busy tech and cloud landscapes. So with this boom in the cloud migration market size has grown drastically. In fact, in 2020, the whole cloud market was valued at 119.13 billion USD and is predicted to increase to 448.34 billion US dollars by 2026. It's not that far away. So, in other words, the answer is clear. Cloud in general and cloud-based licensing specifically are tools that technology companies must embrace in order to keep up with market trend. So sometimes the thought of transitioning to the cloud can be overwhelming for one or many companies. They must invest in cloud migration training for employees, research the right cloud solutions for the specific company, and map out cloud cost management best practices, as well as future technology trends in cloud computing. All of these factors come together in choosing how and when to migrate to the cloud. Now, one of the biggest concerns when it comes to the cloud transition is cost. This is natural. It's a concern because if companies are not careful, costs can quickly add up. Right? Cloud cost management best practices have to be adopted in order to optimize cloud cost versus cloud efficiency. So let's check it out. Cloud cost management best practices. Here are a few. Choosing the right type of storage. So there's a wide range of storage options in the cloud, and choosing one which is above your needs will definitely lead to unnecessary cost. Eliminate unattached or unused resources. So unused resources are another waste of space and lead to higher cloud costs. If an employee turns on a temporary server and doesn't turn it off when finished or forgets to remove storage from irrelevant instances, you'll be paying for more cloud space than you need. Right size. The process of making sure your computer services are functioning at the most efficient and productive size. So the good news for enterprises looking to make the switch is that it isn't an all-or-nothing move. Many companies choose to transition slowly, adding cloud software licensing to their repertoire of options, while keeping more traditional licensing solutions on hand in order to ease the switch. Now, the beauty of cloud-based licensing is the ease at which it can be managed. All of the information software vendors need is available at the click of a button, and data and licenses are stored safely and reliably. Cloud-based licensing allows software vendors to give customers access to real-time data to increase profits and lower costs. The cloud allows access to migration data, information on license use, including those that aren't being used and therefore being wasted, centralized records, and all kinds of other resources. Customers are able to make smart decisions for their companies based on this cloud data, thereby increasing profits and improving operational efficiency. Now, the main issue companies face when shifting to the cloud is how exactly to offer their licensing scheme. Overall, it's a positive issue to have, as a cloud gives seemingly infinite possibilities for licensing options. However, it is critical that companies identify the correct model for themselves and use a software licensing vendor that understands the tech world themselves. Cost can also be a cloud software licensing issue. Initial costs for moving to the cloud can be high, and companies may be hesitant to shift to the cloud, wondering if the investment will be worthwhile in the long run. So while cost is a legitimate and important factor in moving to cloud-based licensing, the long-term benefits and ability to bring down costs with cloud computing are tremendous. See, by having more control over the licensing process, software vendors are able to save themselves as well as their customers cash and resources. Now, in order to successfully move software licensing to the cloud, it's important to have a strategy and to integrate cloud cost management best practices. So the first step of creating a strategy for a cloud licensing solution is to review the current state of licenses in a company. What exists, what is lacking, and what can be improved. Where are the weak spots in the software licensing process? So from there, costs can be taken into account. When transitioning to the cloud, costs can start adding up quickly, and this can be especially true when multi-cloud environments come into play. Due to the unlimited options available from the cloud, many companies will find themselves adding on cloud options that they may not even need in practice. See, this is why using one centralized platform is critical when moving to cloud licensing solutions, because it allows costs to remain under control. It's a centralized platform to keep track of those costs, expenses, licensing use, and all of the resources. Well, hey, guess what? We need to wrap it up here. Now you know about cloud licensing. Stay tuned, though. We've got another video in store. I'll see you on the other side.